Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then thank you for being here. Have a look around. I hope that you find something that you like so that you hit that subscribe button and join me here on this tiny little part of YouTube called my channel. I do lots of different types of videos, so I really hope that you find something you enjoy. I cannot believe that it is so close to Christmas already. Time just is really flying by, at least for me it is. So before we get started, I want to talk about something that could be a great Christmas present for a friend. It could be for male, female, mom, sister, brother. You get it. It could be a great present for yourself. And it's my favorite perfume company. Yes, I've talked about them before. And like I said, I'm going to continue to talk about them because I honestly absolutely love them. It's Dossier. I'm going to put up on screen and take you through the website with me. So when you go on there, if you don't know what type of perfume you're looking for, you can always search it by the inspired brand that you're looking for. If you're looking for something that's inspired by Tom Ford or Chanel, Gucci, anything like that, whatever you're looking for, you can always search for it like that in their little search bar. Or you can search for perfumes for females, colognes for men. My favorite method is to do the little quiz that they have on there. So I always take the quiz. I highly recommend it, only because I always take their quiz and I have never received a perfume that I don't like. So I just think that it's a really good way to find a perfume that you do like. So you can do that. And they are vegan and cruelty free, and that, of course, they have clean ingredients. Find the perfume or the cologne that you're looking for and you order it. Whenever you get it in the mail, it comes in a little box like this. Just a simple little box. I really appreciate the very simple packaging. And then you open it up, and it looks like this. So first we have a little card in here, and this basically just has like the scents that are in your bottle, the name of the perfume that you chose, the inspiration of this perfume or cologne, and then it has a little thank you note on there, and then it tells you like how it works. So when you get your box and you open it, always take out your little sample first. It's just a little tiny bottle like this, and try it. Try it for the day. When I use mine every day. I have quite a few of them, so I say that I probably have to spray myself maybe twice a day. It really just depends. It has a really good life on it, so the perfume lasts for a long time. I can always smell it in my hair and on my clothes, so I really do like that. So just try your little bottle. I say use it the whole day just to really make sure that you absolutely love it, because if you don't, you can return this as long as you haven't opened it and used it, of course. And there's no questions asked. You get a full refund, or you can pick something else out that you might like. I highly recommend them to you guys. I will leave everything in the description box for you so that if you do want to, you can go check it out. I'll have anything else that I think that you might find interesting in the description box as well. I'm going to probably recommend a Christmas gift in all of my future videos until Christmas. I'm going to try to upload as many as possible because I have quite a few really cute Christmas gift ideas for just about everybody in the family, including children. So be on the lookout for those videos. Today's video is just me decorating my master bedroom. It's not anything too interesting. There is one of the DIYs that I've done in the video that I absolutely love. It turned out so much better than I thought it was going to, so I really hope that you guys enjoy that. When you get to it, there are two of them, but the other one is just super simple. So there are, like I said, the DIYs in the video, And then my room turned out really pretty, and I'm also very pleased with it as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and as always, I will see you at the end. So guys, this is a shot of the before of my very messy bedroom. And then here we have a little sneak peek at the room completely done. It turns out really, really good. So, I did film me making the bed and stuff, but I don't know, somehow I managed to always lose stuff or mess it up somehow. But anyway, so I just took everything that I wanted to incorporate into my room, and I unpacked everything and I lay it all out on the bed so I can see what I have. You do see me going around and putting a few things already where I know I want them to go. So here's a close-up of all of the items laid out on the bed. I love my floral. These flowers are very, very pretty. Most of the items came from Walmart, Dollar Tree. I got a few things from Joann's and then a few things from the Hobby Lobby. But most of it came from Walmart and Dollar General. Or not Dollar General, but the Dollar Tree. Alright guys, so for the DIY, I'm going to show you how to make this very cute box. I had to find a box that the base of my tree would fit in, the stand of it. So you want to make sure that the stand fits all the way down inside of the box. And then I just cut this top part of the box off all the way around. And I took a ruler and a marker and just measured 2 inches apart on all of the pieces that I had. And then I'm just going to take some scissors and cut along the lines that I drew. So I ended up with a bunch of pieces that are all the exact same size. And then I'm just going to make it look like I guess like a wooden box. I'm going to make an X on the front, and then I'm going to outline it. I did the X on 2 sides, and then I added border all the way around my box. And I just used hot glue to glue the pieces down, and then a really sharp knife to cut the pieces. And this is what it looked like after I got done gluing everything on it and cutting everything out. And then I'm just going to take some white acrylic paint and I'm going to paint the entire box white. And this is what it ended up looking like after I painted it white. It turned out way better than I hoped it would. I think it's one of my favorite DIYs so far. All of the Christmas ones that I've done so far, this one is definitely one of my favorites. I added a tiny bit of black paint to my brush and just added a tiny bit to make it have a distressed look. And this is what it looked like in the end. The trees are already put together, the lights already on it. That footage was in the footage of me making my bed, and I don't know what happened to it, but there it is. I found these hooks at Walmart. They're to hang ornaments on. They're very, very pretty. So I'm just going to decorate the tree. So now that the tree is decorated, I'm just going to finish decorating the bedroom. so this is the room fully decorated. Well, I wouldn't say fully. I always continue to add to every room in my house until the day of Christmas. So I don't think I ever 100% get done decorating, just because I'm always adding more to it. Like, I've already added several other things to my room since filming this video. So I've added some snowflake lights up there where the 2 scones are. Everything looks so pretty. It is a really very cozy room. My cat was needing attention. Her name is Luna, if anybody wants to know. I have all of my hair ties and scrunchies in that little bag right there. So for the next DIY is this hat box. This is what it originally looked like, but I needed something that I could put all of my face products in. So I just took some wrapping paper and basically just wrapped it up. I didn't try to do a perfect job because it's not gonna stay on it, so I just wrapped it the best I could. So here is how it turned out, and now I have somewhere that I can keep all of my favorite products that I use every single day, but still have it match the Christmas theme in my bedroom. These are all of my absolute favorite products. I use them, like I said, every single day, so I need them to be right here where I can still get to them. And so moving on, I've added stuff everywhere. This dresser is not my dresser, this is my captive's dresser. And then here's a close-up look of the Christmas tree all decorated. So I was going to add ribbon to this tree as well, but I decided to use this beautiful golden sheer material, and I just tied it to the star that I have up top. And it turned out beautiful, so. And that's it, guys. That's the entire room. Bye. Oh, hi. I didn't know that you guys are back already. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to go check them out. I am 100% sure that you guys will love them. I love them, and it's a really great company, so. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to always look in my description box. I will have any coupon codes, a direct link to the website, and then anything else that I find of interest that I think you might like, I will add extra stuff in there for you guys. So always make sure that you go look in my description box. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.